All fish recipe lovers, gather here because I have a sumptuous and delicious recipe for you to enjoy this season. So, if you're a fish lover, you're definitely welcome as I take you through the journey of this vegetable fish fried rice. So, let's cook. These are the ingredients: some seasoning for the fish and for the food, pepper, of course. You know, fish recipes need pepper, some smoked fish, vegetables, basmati rice, oil, parsley, and we're gonna add a whole lot onions, garlic, and ginger. So before that, let's prep our fish. I'm using tilapia fish. Feel free to use any fish that you like. I would have preferred catfish if I had access to it. So yeah, absolutely do you and enjoy yourself. So after pat drying the fish, I'm making incisions on it so my seasonings can penetrate. Like you want it properly seasoned and tasty. So yeah, with my mix spices here, I'm adding salt and some seasoning. I'm just gonna pour that on the fish and make sure that every part of the fish has this seasoning. Or stuff it in the head, the belly, every part. You want the fish to be really tasty. So I have this pepper, tomato, garlic, ginger, onion mix that has been in the fridge. I'm just gonna apply it. It's already fried and seasoned, so I won't be doing much. And now I'm stuffing the belly with some fresh parsley. I like to do this whenever I'm grilling. I could use carrot, onions, onion leaf, cucumber, whatever it is. Just stuff the belly so it can release more flavor into the fish. After wrapping it up with this foil paper, I'm just gonna transfer it to the air fryer so I can grill it. This video is not about grilling fish, so yeah, if you want to check out the detailed recipe on grilling, check out the videos on my channel. I'll link them in the description. And now that the fish is out of the way, let's go ahead and cook. In my pot, I've drizzled some vegetable oil. Is it drizzled? I've added some vegetable oil and then garlic and ginger and then some onions. We're going to fry that for a few minutes, just saute it for about a minute or two, going in with bay leaf and rosemary. Give that a good mix, and we have our rice. The rice has been washed already. I'm just going to fry this quickly. We want this fried rice to turn out well, so yeah, we're going to fry the raw rice. There's a detailed fried rice recipe already up on the channel. You can check that out. I'm also going in with some of my favorite seasonings. As you can see on the screen, we're going to give it another mix. Just fry everything nicely till the rice looks dry. Then we can add the meat stock and some water. If you don't have meat stock, it's fine. You can just add water. I mean, we're also going to use fish, so yeah. But to intensify the flavor, you want to have at least some stock added. Now we've gone in with our seasoning, some fresh pepper for the heat, and in a few minutes our rice will be ready. Most of the times when I'm making fish recipes, I like to add a lot of seasoning and pepper. Typical of fish recipes is sometimes to make you feel, So yeah, I like to add lots of seasoning. So feel free to do you adjust the pepper and seasoning as you would prefer. Now in a different pot, we're gonna stir fry our vegetables. This is where it gets really, really exciting. We've added some oil to the pan, then some onions. We saute that for a few minutes, and the fish. I'm using some mackerel smoked fish that has been deboned, and we're going to fry this till it releases its juice into the pot. I mean, this is the style of the dish, so you want to take your time and fry it. Once that is done, I'm going in with some mixed veggies, the frozen ones, so that can fry quickly first before we add some freshly chopped vegetables. Anyone in your space who loves fish recipes, you want to give them a treat this season with this yummy and delicious recipe. This was a special recipe for my husband, so you want to do same for your special person, your family, your friends, anyone really. Make them love, make them feel happy this season. Now with the vegetables added, some bell pepper, some carrots, I've added a little salt for taste. Give it a good mix, and we're going in with some chopped cabbage. It's a vegetable fried rice. Remember, so give it a good mix. Once that is fried on very low heat, you want your vegetables to still be crunchy. I'll take out some of it, and then we introduce the rice and begin to stir fry on low heat. I emphasize. Okay, give that a very good mix. I have other rice recipes you can make this season. There's coconut rice, jollof rice, fried rice, Nigerian fried rice, and then this fish fried rice. So feel free to explore and give your family some nice treats. And if you're new to the Yayilo TV farm, you're welcome. We're glad to have you. We explore delicacies of food here. So please hit the subscribe button, turn on post notifications, give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it, and please share with someone and leave a comment. You can just leave a love emoji, smiley, yummy, whatever. Just let's just interact in the comment section. So now our rice has been properly fried. I'm going lastly now with some fresh parsley. And you see the vibrant grain this food is giving? Oh my god, you really want to taste it. You really want to make some for yourself and enjoy. You really want to make some for your special one and enjoy. I'm not such a big fan of fish recipes, but this one got me. Like I ate forgetting that this is fish, oh, and this is fish. And look at that grill. Look at that grilled fish. So tasty, so yummy. Can you see it? Juicy. Look at the fried rice, inviting. This is the kind you want to serve your guests. This is the kind you want to even make for yourself. I mean, give yourself a treat. Sometimes when I'm stressed, I like to make a very delicious meal for myself. Just sit down, eat, and enjoy. So yeah, you want to give yourself this treat this holiday season. Give yourself a treat. Give someone a treat. Put a smile on somebody's face. And yeah, and that's it from Yayilo TV. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Till we see you with another recipe. Enjoy the holiday season and stay blessed.